One owner 2009 Chrysler PT Cruiser touring with a clean Carfax report. This economical four-door vehicle offers a gas-efficient 2.4-litre, four-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. This vehicle offers more space than you would imagine, with a very clean and spacious interior for comfortable riding room. Plenty of trunk space for travel or storage as well. A great vehicle for a value price. Joe Holland Signature Series certified, as this vehicle has passed our high standards inspection process through our state-of-the-art service facility for your quality assurance. Our goal is for you to have a smooth and memorable buying experience, then to drive away with peace of mind. Please call or email our internet department today to set up an appointment. We'll do our best to give you a great deal and make your process easy. Joe Holland, expect a different experience. We will make the deal. 1-800-749-6390